Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima brake pads. First, let's gather our essential tools, including a reliable jack, a sturdy lug wrench, and your brand new brake pads. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely parked on a level surface and properly supported by two jack stands. Once everything is stable, we can proceed to carefully remove the wheel, giving us clear access to the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now that we have access, let's focus on removing the worn components. Begin by loosening the two caliper guide pins, typically with a 14mm or 17mm wrench. Once those are loose, gently remove the entire brake caliper assembly. It's crucial to support the caliper, perhaps with a bungee cord, to prevent it from hanging by the brake line. Finally, you can easily slide out the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket, making way for the new ones. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of brake grease to the contact points. Then, carefully slide your new brake pads into position within the bracket. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a specialized tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Finally, reinstall the caliper over the new pads and tighten the two guide pins securely. Before hitting the road, let's perform some crucial final checks. First, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm, building up hydraulic pressure. Next, check your brake fluid reservoir. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Now for the test drive. Drive cautiously, performing about 10 to 15 gentle stops from 25 miles per hour, and then a few moderate stops from 35 miles per hour. This beds in the new pads, ensuring optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.